Hi, Group C. I just wanted to go over a little bit, make a short screencast to show everybody how we can use the Google Drive and the Google Groups that we've started, just for any of you that are not sure or haven't used it before. You'll remember on Tuesday evening, Athena had sent us an email in which she stated, I've shared an item with you, and the item was this group folder. And if you click on that, it will take you to what she has created, which includes 8 folders altogether, one for each assignment, and the focus questions and answers for the beginning research, or for the beginning information he wanted us to know. In there is also the Team C organization chart, which is the 7 assignments and the group leaders listed. And then she's also added the syllabus and other information, the course introduction. So it's all here in one easy spot to find. You'll see up here in the corner it says open in Drive right now on mine. If you've not done this before, up in this right hand corner it will say add to Drive or add to my Drive. And you want to click on that. If you're a Google user, you have a Google Drive, and you want to add this to your drive. Since I've already done it, mine says open in Drive, and that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to open this file. And right here you see the list of all the files. And the standard way that it is, it's in tabs. I'm going to actually switch it to a grid view so I can see each of the documents or each of the files. So already there is a file for each of our assignments. You'll see right here, and I'm going to use Hirsch's Big Ideas as an example because Lynn's already gotten started. So right here, if we go into this file, there's 2 things in here. There are the directions or the expectations, requirements for this project, and then he also gave us a sample of how he wants the final document to look, set up by chapter with the big idea, or whether we agree or disagree, and further research. Now, for Lynn, she will want to create within this additional files. So what she would want to do is go in, click create, and she's going to create a folder within this folder, and she might call this chapter 2. And she's going to create that. And then right here is chapter 2. So each of us, as we complete the reading for chapter 2 and we create our own write-up that we want to share with Lynn, we're going to go into chapter 2. We're going to click on that. There's nothing there right now. We're going to upload our file. So you would click on Files. You would go to your documents wherever you keep them, whether it's on your computer or on a drive. You're going to go to your documents, and then you are going to add your information. And I don't want to actually add something that will get everyone confused. But then you would choose that from your file, and you would open it just like you would upload any other file, okay? And then it would be in the chapter 2 folder. All right? And then at any time, Lynn can go in, she can look at her chapter 2 file and see who's added information. She can consolidate all the data and write-ups that we've done into one final write-up. Okay, so again, we can go back, we'll look here. This is the first page. This is the whole document, or the whole file, I should say, that Athena created. And within each of your assignments, you'll want to go in, and if you feel that your particular assignment, you just want each person to submit it into the file that's already been created, that's fine. If you have an assignment that has some specific parts that you want people to put those into specific folders, again, you'll just go over to create. You'll create a folder within that folder, name it, so we all know what you want in there, okay? And then we'll all know where we should be putting our information. The other thing I want to go back to real quickly is in this same email, or actually shortly after that email, Athena also shared with us her Google dashboard that she created for us. And then if you'll notice this dashboard, if you would, it might be easier for you to take this information up here, this address, and maybe put it in your bookmarks or um, into whatever site that you create to quickly find things, because right here on the dashboard you can find again all of these are all the emails that we've shared with each other. This is the calendar with due dates that have been added, and then again here are all the files. So you could also just go right here, click on the file, it'll open in your drive. Here's all the information, and again we can add our additional documents there. We would open it in our drive and then upload our files to that one. All right. If there's anyone who's still not sure or this isn't clear, just shoot me an email and I'll help you out. All right, and uh, we can clear up any confusion there might be. Hopefully everybody has access to all of these documents now. If not, please let Athena or I know and we will quickly try to rectify the situation. Thank you.